I've been asked by Bhakta Gana Devi Dasi to apologise for not being here today. And she asked me to tell you, Srila Prabhupada, to say thank you for everything. And when she was asking me, she said, what would we do? What would we do without Srila Prabhupada? Or where would we be without Srila Prabhupada? I said, I hate to think. But you're here, Srila Prabhupada. And by your potency, all auspiciousness can be had. So that's Bhakta Gana Devi Dasi. I hope I've represented her in her mood to Srila Prabhupada, because that wasn't verbatim.